I am back, and I'm with this guy. Today we're gonna play. We're gonna go on the airplane. We are going into the airport. It's a taxi. I am buying it. There's only one person right here. Alright, so basically we're working in the airport, I think. There's rules. Hey, calm down, you two. Calm down. Stop fighting. No sleeping on the job. Be nice to the customer. Clean up after yourself. If you work the night, beware of the... Okay. A plane ticket, I got you. Why do we have a pistol? Hey, calm down, partner. Ticket? Oh, I'll take that. Help. One ticket. I don't got that money.
I just took a fat shit.
What the hell? I hope this isn't some like Final Destination type of stuff. Can I please see your boarding pass? Hey, let me see your boarding pass or else. Why can't I grab it? Oh. You're valid. Enjoy the flight. Get out of here. I just need to see your boarding pass. Pass. Alright. Enjoy the flight. Get out of here. Hey, where'd the other guy go? I guess he left. Guys, I gotta be right back. Alright, my bad, y'all. He got kicked out of the game for some reason, so we had to rejoin back. You're valid. Go right now. I said go. Yeah, skedaddle. Next. Yo, what to F? You're good. You could go. Go. You're valid. Alright, let's go. Oh, you want chips? Soda? I got you. I'll get the soda, you get the chips. No, there's just one soda. Sweating my eyeballs out. Oh my god, I just peed. How do I patch? Oh, clean. Hooray! Alright, one ticket. Alright, I'm gonna do some off-camera working. I'm gonna come back in a bit. Alright, it's been a bit. We're still working, but we got Spider-Man over here. He's on our side. Who is this dude? This ain't a customer. This is invalid. Get out. Get out of here and scram. No, I won't, buddy. Get out. Get out of here, Goofy. Yeah. Ooh. There's two of them? No. I don't want to do all that. Alright, I'm gonna just do some work. Alright, we are on the plane. Alright, we got the food and everything is okay. Whoa. Oh my god. What is he doing? No. Knock. Please open up. Uh-oh. Survive. No. Chase me. I'm just gonna run straight. I'm not gonna look back. Oh my god. No. I died.